Namaste, dear children. Welcome to class 3 English subject. Today I am going to start a new lesson, sixth lesson, the never ending story. Today I will give the model reading of the lesson. Get set. Emperor Akbar was a wise ruler. He was called Akbar the Great. The people of his kingdom loved and respected him. Look at the picture and talk about why the emperor was liked by the people. The emperor loves a good joke. He is good at solving riddles. He loves music. He listens to Tansen sing every morning. He respects other religions. He likes horse riding. He has respect for learned men. Once Akbar fell ill. His Hakims came to see him. Characters: Hakim 1, Hakim 2, Akbar, storyteller, Birbal. Hakim 1: Your Majesty, please take this medicine 3 times a day. Hakim 2: Sir, you will need to rest in bed for a few days. Akbar: I don't mind bitter medicines, but I hate staying in bed. Hakim 1: But sir, it is important for you to rest. We will stand outside your door to make sure no one disturbs you for at least 2 days. Just one day later, Akbar: I am so bored. I have nothing to do. I can't eat. I can't sleep at night. The Hakims were worried. Hakim 1: We have to do something. His Majesty is not eating well. He is not sleeping well. This is not good for his health. Hakim 2: Yes, we have to cheer him up. I know. Someone should tell him a story every night to help him sleep. At first, the plan worked well. Akbar enjoyed listening to stories, but then he began to get upset when they ended. Akbar: What happened next? Tell me. Storyteller: The story has ended, Your Majesty. There is nothing more. Akbar: So soon? Tell me more, otherwise, I will be bored again. I can't sleep if I am bored. Hakim 2: It is so difficult to find people to tell him stories. No one knows stories that do not end. Hakim 1: What shall we do? Everyone is afraid to face the emperor. He gets so angry when the stories end. Hakim 2: It is a difficult situation. I know of only one person who can handle this problem. Only Birbal can find a solution. Hakim 1: Oh, yes, Birbal is the cleverest of the emperor's ministers. I am sure he will find a way. His Majesty is also very fond of him. Let us request him to come. That evening, Birbal went to Akbar and started his story. Birbal. There was a huge peepal tree in a jungle. It was 100 years old. It was very big and many birds lived in it. Akbar. What happened then? Birbal. The birds made their nests in it. The tree had many branches. Baby birds were safe in their nests. Every morning the birds flew out to look for food. Akbar. How many birds were there? Birbal. 500. In the morning, one bird flew out. Frrrr. Akbar. Then the second bird flew out. Frrrr. What next? The third bird flew. Frrrr. What happened after that? The fourth bird flew away. Frrrr. Oh, Birbal, how many more birds? My king, there are 496 birds left. So then the fifth bird flew away. Frrrr. Stop that. Tell me what happened after they all flew away. How can I do that? 500 birds flew away every morning. Frrrr, frrrr, frrrr. It takes a very long. Then they come back one by one. Then they feed their babies. Then they fly out again and come back to rest in the evening. How can I tell you what happened after they all flew away? Those birds never stop flying. Frrrr, frrrr, frrrr. Akbar had no answer to that. He realized that it was silly of him to ask for a story that did not end. He stopped asking for stories and soon got well again. Vinita Khanna. Here ends the model reading of the lesson. You please read this lesson in front of your parents or your siblings. Try to read aloud and enjoy the reading of the story. And I will explain this story in the next class. Dear children, take care of yourself. Be safe, be happy in your home. Dhanyavad.